Aloha, y'all. Your boy Jay coming back at you. Hawaii Tiki Tours with Lava Rock Sculptures, Part 5. Today, we representing the wooden tikis. Once again, made 100% from Hawaiian ohia, 100% hand carved. The entire tiki series represents the game of chess. So this is one of the pawns in the series. We're going to walk you over here to another pawn. This is actually the first pawn created in the series. Once again, 100% hand carved, 100% Hawaiian ohia wood. Y'all, please keep hitting that subscribe button, keep hitting that like button. Mahalo and aloha.